Hi students, welcome to Stress Management and Health. My name is Emily Schieffer and I'm going to be your instructor this semester. The content of this course is going to allow us to examine stress, what some common stressors are, and then also identify stress symptoms. In addition to identifying what stress is, we're also going to examine different techniques and ways for you to manage your stress. My key goal for this semester is for each of you to be able to identify what stress may look like to you, what some of your stress symptoms are, and then also apply some of the learned techniques that we'll discuss into your everyday life. The goal here is for us to overcome some of these stressful situations that we may be experiencing. And if we can take away just a small little nugget of knowledge to help us better our mental health, then we've achieved what we've come to do here. A little bit about me. I'm a product of the community college system here in California. I attended Butte College in Oroville before transferring to Cal State East Bay, where I played on the women's basketball team and earned my bachelor's degree. Eventually, I wanted to pursue kinesiology and get my master's degree in kinesiology so that I could be able to do what I'm doing now, which is teaching and coaching at the community college level. I'm so fortunate to love what I do and be able to have the opportunity to help students as well as student athletes find their direction and their path and what they are most passionate about so that hopefully they can be as happy as I am in my career. I'm really looking forward to this semester, getting to know each and every one of you as we look to build our online community. Please never hesitate to reach out. My availability, I'm always available by email. Please feel free to contact me anytime and ask any questions that you need. Again, really looking forward to embarking on this journey with all of you. Thank you.